In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys some Redbubble shop reviews, reviewing your shops and helping you guys to get to a point where you can build your own perfect Redbubble store. If you are ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand stores. If you do happen to be new around here, please do click on that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. That way you won't miss out on future videos. We have actually helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. However, if you are someone looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Before I get to reviewing these stores, if you do have a store that you want me to review in one of these videos, down in the description there's a link where you can actually submit your store if you want it to potentially be in one of these videos, so definitely check that out. Getting us straight into it, this is the first store we have today. It's called Awakened Soul. Very bright, very colorful. I like the fact that they show some of their designs on their banner. Scrolling down, I'm seeing there's 163 designs, so there's definitely a lot of things on the shop. They've got a featured collection and then they've got normal collections just below. This is really good to see because within a featured collection, you can actually increase the chances of multiple designs selling. And then by having further collections, it actually makes it a lot easier for a customer to decide between what it is they want from your shop. Nevertheless, a lot of the designs that I'm seeing are very creative, sticker based. I'm seeing some dress based designs, some masks, and this person looks like they're obviously trying to cover a lot of different angles, which is something I always recommend for anyone selling on Redbubble. One bit of advice I'd give to this shop, mainly because I'm seeing they've got 80 favorites, is if they have a specific type of product that's selling or a specific type of design that's selling, I would advise for them to do more of that. Because for example, if you're seeing a lot of mask sales or a lot of blanket sales, you want to then be making more designs for those products, if that makes sense. I mean, everything would still be activated, but you would be focusing on that specific product. I'm going to click onto this design. It's been titled Skate, Sleep, Repeat, and they've put great gift for skateboarder, shred till you're obviously, and it says what it says. I'm not saying that word because YouTube doesn't like that word. Nevertheless, the design itself looks pretty cool. Obviously, it's within the skating niche. They've done a great job of using effective keywords in the title, in the description, and I'm guessing probably the tags as well. And yep, they've definitely done it in the tags. It's great to see people implementing these kind of tips because keywords do make things a lot easier for you. Nevertheless, they've got this product available on 88 products. It's not quite everything. Redbubble has 93 products you can activate, so they're 5 shy. So that's something they may want to look into. But besides that, I mean, I like what they've done with the store. The designs look great. They just need to keep going, keep making designs. We have the next shop, which is called Sea Evolve. Looking at this shop, once again, banner very colorful. Not too sure about the text. It's a little bit hard to read, mainly because there's a lot going on in terms of color on the banner. The logo looks fairly okay. Shop itself has 76 favorites. There's no featured collection, so this is something they can definitely add. And then they've got normal collections down there, which is good to see. I like the fact that they're using sticker packs. This is something I always talk about when I do shop reviews, but sticker packs are very important, mainly because when a customer buys one sticker, they're getting, in this instance, 4 stickers for the price of 1, which is always good to see. They've been creative with a lot of text-based designs, which is always good to see. And I feel like this is a shop that's got a lot of potential if they keep going. They've got 31 favorites at the moment, and as they're only currently on 76 design, I would advise this person to keep designing, mainly because, you know, you won't start seeing much success till you're past, you know, the 100 design mark and you're actually taking in the data you've got in regards to sales, in regards to favorites, to allow you to keep moving forward with good information. So you're not just working hard, you're also working smart. Nevertheless, I want to click on this Red Rose sticker pack. So I would definitely add more keywords under this. So I'll do a little bit of research in regards of what shows up on Redbubble when you search rose or red rose, and I'll look to see what pops up on the first page what other keywords are used that I could potentially implement into this. Scrolling down, there's not too much of a description. I'll definitely add more keywords in there, as that definitely does help. And then in the tags, we're seeing rose, autumn, red rose plant. So they've got a few related keywords there. Once again, you'd want to see what pops up. Maybe when you write rose, when you search up rose through Redbubble. So I'm seeing rainbow rose there. It's something that's trending. Do they have rainbow rose in the keywords? No, they don't. But that's something that they could easily get in their keywords because it's currently trending. Even though the competition is high, I would still make sure that I'm adding this in my tags and my descriptions, because sometimes you can pop up in this trending section even if there's a lot of results. So it's something to bear in mind. And yeah, I feel like in terms of the shop we've just looked at, they're doing the right thing. They just need to keep uploading more and more designs, and the shop will get to a point where it then starts to actually sustain itself. Moving us on, we have JF Beaton 48. The banner is more simplistic. It's a bit more of a view, but it looks pretty cool. And they've got a standard logo, nothing too crazy. 257 designs, accompanied by a featured collection at the top and further collections just below. Now, I'm not too sure if these are pictures that they are taking themselves. If they are, that is really good to see. And if they're pictures that obviously they have the rights to use, that's also something that's very important. Nevertheless, looking at the shop, it looks to be more of a picture-based styled store. 586 favorites, which is always good to see, which means people are finding the shop and potentially buying things. One thing I would advise you to do, especially on images like this, I would put them on things like posters, things like greetings cards, postcards. View-based images like this tend to sell better on those products. Obviously, stickers is what I recommend for anyone who's not getting sales doing this, but if you are starting to get sales, have a look to see how many sales have come from things like posters, greetings cards, maybe even like bed covers. And then depending on which product is getting you more sales, then focus on that product moving forward. I do like the feel to the store. It's more picturesque. And a lot of people obviously struggle to sell things like pictures through Redbubble, but you can do if you're going about it the right way, using posters and using products that are high in demand. Looking at this, it's been titled Wittenberg Gate. It is activated on 88 products, so not quite everything. There's 5 things that could potentially be added there, and then they've added some tags that I'm guessing are related to this, and they've not gone with too little or too many, so they've done a good job there. The main thing for the person running the shop is that they need to make sure that they're implementing the products that are getting them the most sales. Moving us on, we have Generation Zone. I just want to start off saying the banner looks really good. It's fairly similar to a banner I covered with another store not too long ago, but I like the fact that they've put their own touch on this store. They've kept it looking nice. They've kept it looking bright. They currently only have 35 designs from what I can see there, but the shop is also very new. They created it this month, so they've definitely got time to put more designs on there. They have a featured collection, which is good to see. More collections just below, which means that already, even though the shop is still fairly new, they're already going about things the right way. I'm seeing a lot of stickers, but within the stickers, everything is a bit tight knit, as in it doesn't look like something that would work too well on a sticker. But if they are still starting out, no matter how the designs look on the stickers, I always recommend for people to start off by putting the front product image as a sticker, as that is what sells best, and they're doing that, so you know, can't really complain too much. They've got 28 favorites, so they need to get out there a little bit more for sure. And I'm not seeing things like sticker packs, so they could definitely try to add some sticker packs alongside some of the niches they've been designing for. I feel like this will allow them to see obviously which niches will be more accepting to them, and when I say that, I mean which niches will get them sales fast. I'm going to click on this design right here, and it looks to say summer vibes. So it says summer vibes, but it's been titled Summer Melon. Now, I'm not too sure if this was something that was trending, but obviously they've made the design. It looks pretty cool on here. Scrolling through, they've activated it on 77 products, so there's still a good 16 products that probably need to be activated there. In terms of the tags, you know, they've added melon related tags, so I mean, they've done a good job. I can't you know, talk that down too much. They've done a great job there. For the title, I would always see if I can add other keywords in there. So if you type melon up here, I think I put an extra L. Redbubble sometimes suggests things. I don't know what this is, but if I was the person who's made this design, I would look into this, see if there's no trademark in it, and then potentially edit within my description and tags. They still got a long way to go. I would say aim for 100 designs, see what's selling most, what's getting the most favorites, and then plan your future designs off that information. With the final shop, we've got your car. The banners looking pretty cool. I'm guessing there's some of the designs that pop through this shop. Really does stand out as well with the logo that matches nicely. 241 designs with the featured collection at the top and further collections just below. One thing I like about this shop is that straight away I've got a nice feel to it. I mean, I feel at home here. These designs stand out. They're not difficult to read. They've got 275 favorites, which means people are finding them for the most part. They've got designs that could definitely be scaled. I like the fact that they're implementing trends into some of their designs. I only work to buy more books. I feel like this was something that was trending. I'm actually going to click on this design. It's been titled, I only work to buy more books. Once again, this would be great in the book lovers niche. And they've got a nice little description with keywords in there, which is good to see. More keywords related to things that were trending not too long ago. I know addicted to reading was trending. They've pretty much got everything activated. Not pretty much, this is everything activated, which is good to see. Nevertheless, for today's video, I'm going to leave it here, guys. If you did enjoy it, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. If you're enjoying these reviews, if you want to see more, comment down tips and tricks down in the comment section, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as well. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.